Hi, today I have again Abloy Classic lock, but this one is with a newer version, or not that old, and it's a cabinet lock with this Abloy cover. It's pretty interesting one. I don't know why they put it and the lock is working perfectly. So it's a brand new lock, and the keys on first glance you see like maybe 1 2 3 4 only disc, but in general there are, I think, 7 or probably 8 pins, discs, not pins. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. And the first one is rotating freely, so it's but I think it's a disc, and I think this one has a newer disc, so they call it peak protection, but yeah, that's a peak protection for only the Chinese peaks. So the first thing is I will rotate it clockwise, and I will try to rearrange it a bit and put a bit light so you can see, and hopefully I can pick it from this position. And I will use the tool that Captain Hook made for me. So yeah, let's start picking it. The first thing, as usual, is after we rotate all the discs, the first thing is to put everything in a gate. So one first disc, nothing, fills in a gate. Second disc, same. So now I need to go from, yeah, I'm now in the third disc. I think I put the third disc in a gate, so now the fourth one. I don't know if you can see that the idea was to somehow, you can see both you can see the lock and the picking, how I pick it. So I don't know, I'm in this number 5, feels like in the gate, so maybe not. So yeah, because I lost my count, I'll go from the last one. So last one, yeah, feels set. After that, this one feel loose, so this one feels like, yeah, that one is that. I'm still on the last one, the disc before the last one. I think I'm good. I'm trying to figure it out. Feel set there. This one is freely rotating. This one, it's, yeah. So I'm back from the start. So first, second, third one, full set, fourth one, full set now, fifth one, come on, set, sixth one, I think I'm in a false gate. Now it's set, seventh one, no, going back, now it feels set, and the eighth one is probably a tangent this, so 7, 6, yeah, and we're open. Whew. That was a decent time. Oops. I hope you were able, guys, to see everything, and I'm trying now to rearrange a bit, and I hope you can see that it's open. So let's close it, and I'll try to get out my pick and disassembly. So I have a new pinning tray that I designed, but and here we are. This is the body, the outer part, and this is the locking bar. It's a different style for locking bar. You put this here. I think now with this orientation of the pinning trays, with this pinning tray I can have more stuffs on the right place. So here's a disc, first one, second one, then a spacer, third one, fourth one, and the spacer, fifth one. And because these are the smaller discs, they fit perfectly in this pinning tray. So again, we are on 5, 6, 7, 8. So I was wrong, there are 9 discs. And the last one is a tension disc for the tensioning. So here's the inside cylinder, and here you can see all the, and hopefully the color is so ugly, the yellow one needed to be like this. Is only one or two passes. So let me show you this. This is the newer discs. So here's the through gate, 1, 2 false gates, but this is the part that I was talking, like peak protection. So you need to have this type of, not the Chinese one, so it's go like here, like this. Oh, come on, it's going like this, and then you can pick it. So it's this pick is perfect for this kind of for the Abloy Classic. So that was the newer disc. So that's how I know this is the newer version. The older one, they did not have this kind. So we have like normal without any false gates, with a false gate, and this is with a peak protection, peak resistance. So yeah, that was the ASA Abloy Classic cabinet lock picked and got it. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.